In terms of where you're finding opportunities, where are you finding the best opportunities at the moment, and has that changed in comparison to the past?
Well, I think certainly the market is a lot more diverse than it was, say, 5 or 6 years ago. HICL went through a phase of finding a lot of opportunity to buy equity investments in public-private partnerships here in the UK. That market itself is much more fragmented now, so there are plenty of other geographies such as other European countries, North American countries, Australia, where we find opportunity to buy PPPs. And in terms of regulated assets, that's probably a bit closer to home. HICL recently made a large investment in a water company here in the UK, and I think we've seen other opportunities to buy regulated assets recently, and I think we see others in the future as well. So it does depend somewhat on which part of our investment strategy we're following. But for the most part, HICL is still 80% invested in the UK, and although that might reduce slightly in the medium term, we still see plenty in the UK for us to look at.
Right. And Greg, where are you finding the best opportunities at the moment?
So the fund invests in North America, the UK and Western Europe, as well as Australia and New Zealand. The largest sector at the moment geographically is North America, followed by the UK. We've found a number of attractive opportunities in the US and Canadian markets. We do hedge that back to sterling, which is the currency of the fund. And we expect to continue to see strong opportunities in the US. There's a lot of pressure to fund infrastructure, as you're probably aware, in the US. And so we expect that to continue to probably be the largest exposure. But we are working currently on assets in Australia and New Zealand, for example, and we have made investments there. So we expect to continue to see a broad range of jurisdictions in the portfolio for the fund.